This replaced an 80s Marshall with GAL RWB fixtures. There's also another one in the front, which that's the one I rode. I never rode this one, but sadly that one's not been removed. It's now a Schindler 5500. It's not the same company as the William down the road with Sheridan's on. It has a similar cab too. This one does start in the floor to the basement. And here you go down. Basement. It's only, I think it's only 200 feet a minute for 9 floors, kind of going up to 8. Here, yeah, this is 800 Penn Avenue. I filmed the 80s Marshall in the front years ago, like over 5 years ago. Yeah, it's only 200 feet a minute for 9 floors. It's ridiculous. Just, yeah. It is a Schindler, but there's no logo for some reason. You have 8. 5500 instant leveling. That's a different braille. There's a control cabinet. Go back down to 1. 88 phone. A louder, newer, lower pitch button beam coming from that speaker. Listen. Okay. The basic powder coated cap. Actually, no, it's laminate. It's only one handrail. It's a rectangle handrail on the back. Does not have the returned end. The straight end. There's 2 lights hanging from the ceiling, which is really weird. Like mini recessed. I wonder if moving stuff hit them, but no, it would be flush on the ceiling, so that doesn't really make sense. There goes, that's gonna be it.